What's up, guys? Here at Lowe's, and I found this. This is a Kobalt, but this ain't one of their standard size. This one here is 24.9 inch deep, 41 wide. It's green. Looks like it only comes in green and black. But this, I'll tell you what, guys, that's a pretty nice box. That's a pretty nice box. I like it. And there's the price for it. $6.48. Let's see. See anything I don't like? It's only got one set of casters on these drawers. Now these here probably be alright. Let's put my weight on it. Yeah, it don't hold weight pretty good. Don't hold weight, but it's deep. It's pretty deep. It's got a 1-year warranty with it. It's pretty nice, guys. It's pretty nice. You know, for the money, $648 for the combo chest. I mean, they're out. You can get all your information there. There we go. It's got a power strip on this top. Can't see much on the side. But it's a nice box. 100 pound. See, that's what I'm saying, 100 pounds. But this one here's got the double drawer slides, so it might hold a little bit more. Yeah, held my weight pretty good. But this drawer right here probably be your socket drawer. It don't hold my weight that good. Yeah, that's why it's only $648. But you see it. I like it. It's not bad. But you can see right now they only come in green and black. I'm sure if they get smart, they'll come in multiple colors. So the key system on is pretty cool. It's like a household key. It's like a household key. So, alright guys, this here's a new Kobalt 41-inch green toolbox. Like, share, subscribe. Until the next time, bye bye.